Are you tired of your favorite characters always getting into arguments based on complete misunderstandings? Don't you ever get frustrated by the emotional investment you put into a webtoon or series? Don't you want them to just talk it out, hurry up, and get on with it? Introducing communication. With this bad boy, you'll be able to stop these misunderstandings from spiraling into a vortex of reader pain and misery. This product includes Slap Some Sense, trademark pending, to slap some sense into those frustratingly dense characters. Instant replay, where you can replay the events to the character jumping to conclusions. And even Why, Author, Why, trademark pending, to send letters of pain to the makers of your show. This also includes Kill That Trash, to get rid of that one disagreeable character. You know, all the Trashtas and Octavians in the world. For a limited time only, get your communication package by commenting down below the most frustrating series you've seen and the end result you want. Again, comment down below with the frustrating series and your desired end results. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe.